Hello and welcome back to this module. So today we're going to be talking about how to find government contracts to bid on. In this session, we'll cover how to find contracts for your business and whether you're new to government contracting or you're looking to sharpen your skills. This lesson will help you to navigate the process using the powerful tool. And guess what? It's free. The tool we'll be using today is U.S. Government Central Contracting website, sam.gov. sam.gov is where you register your business to work with the federal government, and it's also the go-to resource for finding contracts open for bid. In government terminologies, these are referred to as contract opportunities. Contract opportunities are essentially procurement notices from federal contracting offices. These include sources sought notices used to gauge industry interest, solicitation notices like RFPs, which are requests for proposals, and RFQs, which are requests for quotes, contract award notices, and sole source notices when a contract is awarded without a competitive bid. The great thing about sam.gov is that anyone can search for contract opportunities without even creating an account. However, having a free user account provides extra benefits like saving your searches, joining interest vendor lists, and following up on updates for specific opportunities. Keep in mind, though, that some solicitation documents may only be available for download if you're signed in. Now that you know what to expect, let's jump in. In the next video, we'll explore sam.gov together, and I'll walk you through step by step so that you can start finding contract opportunities for your business. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. Finding and bidding on the right opportunities is crucial for building a successful government contracting strategy. Take some time to get familiar with sam.gov, and I'll see you in the next video where we will put everything into action. Thanks.